what you probably noticed were the observation charts were about percents, ratios, and proportions. That's what our unit is going to be about. So today we're going to focus on ratios. Okay? So that is going to be our word for the day. And we're going to use that for our call and response. So ratios. Okay, so let's say the word together. So let's say it really loud. Ratio.
Ratio.
Okay, say it to the ceiling. Ratio.
Ratio.
Okay, say it really loud.
Ratio.
Okay, say it to your elbow.
Ratio.
Okay, say it to the floor. Ratio. And say it in deep voice. Ratio. Okay. How many people have heard this word before? Raise your hand if you've heard this word before. Okay, about 29. Hey, has anyone not heard the word ratio before? Raise your hand.
What? No, you have.
Have you heard the word ratio?
Yeah.
Okay.
I forgot.
Not heard, love, zero. Okay, now we're going to do a heads together, and I'm going to use number spoons to call on people. I want you at your table groups discuss a prediction for the definition of ratio. So discuss at your table groups. I'm going to call a numbered spoon. Just the prediction of the definition of ratio. What do you think this word means? So talk to your groups.
Okay, I know how to say it. Please call number 3 from me. I think comparing the two. Yeah, but I already know what it is.
Discuss. Okay. Yeah, we're done.
I can get my 2 points.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so let's do Arden's 2 to Seattle. Okay, number 4. Who's number 4?
That no one, girl.
No.
You got it.
They solved their problem. They know one of them's number 4. Who's number 4?
There should be 2. No. Sorry, I had to let it out. And we're having trouble.
Okay, solve that problem. Do it quickly. Who's number 4 to share out? Comparing 2 numbers. Okay. Okay, so compare 2 numbers. Okay. How about Pierce College? Number 1. Who's number 1 for Pierce? Okay, what did you guys say?
It's like a fraction or decimal.
Fraction or decimal? Okay, let's hear from one more group. How about base? Number 1.
You got it.
What did you guys say?
We said something about like more than.
More than? Okay. Okay, awesome. So, here is our definition that we're going to be using today. A ratio is a number relationship between 2 things. Okay, so we're going to do an action with it to kind of help us remember the word and the definition. So, in your table groups, think of an action that we could, like a hand gesture or something, that we could use when we say a number relationship between 2 things. So heads together, Discussing your groups, go. Like a gesture, a movement that represents the number relationship between two things.
No, every time you say no. Wait, what? It's just like you don't feel it's like you're getting
I don't know. Honestly, a number relationship between two things.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, which team thinks they have the best one? Okay, UW? Here, I'll give you points for if you'll share. Do you guys have one? Okay, so UW, do you want share what your relationship between two things? What was your hand gesture?
So, a number relationship between two things.
So show me one more time.
A number relationship between two.
Okay. Who else had one? Okay, yes, Western. What did you guys decide?
A number relationship between two things.
Okay, so I see a lot for relationship doing this and two things. So do we want to use that? Just say a number relationship between two things. Number relationship between two things. Two things. Okay. So let's try this out. So for the call and response, when I say the word ratio, you're going to respond with ratio. A number relationship between two things. Ratio. Okay, so let's try it together. Ratio. Ratio. A number relationship between two things. Ratio. Okay, let's try it one more time. Okay? Let's do it again. Ratio. Ratio. A number relationship between two things. Ratio. Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's do it really quietly. Let's whisper it, okay? Ratio. Ratio. A number relationship between two